We believe. This phrase encompasses all that is good in the Central community. We aren't just a school system. This is the Central community, where belief is the catalyst for greatness. We believe in unlocking the limitless potential within every child. We believe in creating raving fans, not just within our school walls, but in the hearts of our community, fostering a collective spirit that uplifts and inspires. We believe in building world-class schools that stand as beacons of excellence, where every hallway echoes with the promise of a brighter future. We believe in championing world-class academics, arts, and athletics as we stand as one, nurturing an environment where dreams take flight. Join us on this remarkable journey where we believe is not just a phrase, but an expectation that shapes our identity and propels us towards greatness.
We believe. We believe.
We believe. We believe.